Paul with FlagShooter here. Just want to talk about two quick things today. One is clearing jams. The wire may be jamming in your FlagShooter. And the second one is an adjustment that may need to be made to help prevent that. So one thing you want to do, first of all, is you may need to push the handle down or up. It all depends on how the jam is looking. In this case, we just got to jam it down. And this jam came out really simple and easy. It literally fell out. This jam here is much more complex. It's actually gone underneath what we call the driver. So now you may need to use a pliers to actually get in there, grab the wire, and pull it out. So I'll open up a brand new shooter here. You can see how these move really nice and easy in here, and that's what they should be doing. Look at our clean and lube video if you want to see what that looks like to clean that. But sometimes the wires are pushing up against the back side of this shoe, which we call. And so if that's happening because of wear or whatever, there is a quick solution to that. And the solution to that is turn the FlagShooter around, and there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 that's connected to the quiver. So all you have to do, I'm gonna move this out of the way. All you have to do is take your Phillips screwdriver and turn it 1/2 turn, loosen it 1/2 turn. I'm gonna do that to all 4 of them. Gives it a little bit more tolerance so that this can slide even easier. If you have any issues, or if you just can't get them out like these guys were having, or if you have wear issues, or you can't seem to get it to move like you would like it to, just send it in. We'll take care of it. We'll help you out. We may need to charge you a small fee if there's a bunch of parts we need to replace, but we're going to take care of you and make sure you can shoot flags again. Thanks.